Alright, yeah, I just want to tell someone I'd do a video on what the hell's going on in my world. A little of everything, man. Got a river house I'm rehabbing, trees I'm cutting down, all kinds of crazy stuff in my world. Grass needs to be mowed. Got half of it done. Anyway, pontoon build. Let's see. Oh, I want to talk to you about something here. This is ice and water shield. It's kind of tar, sticky, and definitely when you use that between the plywood you take off, keeps the water from migrating through the sheets of plywood. It's the pontoon boat now. I'll just do a quick look-see. New Bimini top, new console, new seats, new floor. That was the old floor. So yeah, it wasn't bad taking it off. I just cut these strips, peeled the strips up, unscrewed the screws. Came right off pretty easy. Some glue. And you need a big ass anchor if you're gonna anchor up in the river. So this is my big ass anchor. And this is what she looks like on the inside so far. Let's see if I can put up in there. But yeah, I used most of the old stuff I could, you know, because everything costs so much damn money these days. There's new seats, they're not attached yet. Just set them up there. When I put the Bimini on, the console ain't mounted yet, the steering ain't on yet. Yeah, that's it, man. It's been a messy project. Anyway, yeah. Stuff back there to burn. It's console I made for last year. Steering, electrical, control box needs to be remounted. Thing I do like about this is there's a new corner piece here put on. I do like that light up there. That is a cool light. And it's a 10-foot by 8. Little 40 oven room. This motor is really nice. It's 87. Not bad. Starts right up. Idle's good. All that jazz. No, it is. As soon as you get one thing fixed, something else breaks. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. She's about ready to take her out. I've been waiting about a month and a half now for the damn back to the seat rest, the corner rest there. If you're able to see it there. It doesn't have a seat cushion on there. So I'll show you my console I got. Big one. I like that. I like the seats too. Seats are memory foam, they're a premium. Not the luxury. So that'd be like 6 months or something. Ain't like that long. Just use it for the river. So I put this down. This is actually a garage floor mat. It's called G-Lock. Got this from another YouTuber, catfish guy out there. But you know, it's so muddy out there on the river. Carpet's just stupid. And I thought, you know, I could hose this off. Got a bilge pump, hook it up to a hose, wash her down. So I got some motors I've been messing around with when it was cold. Got a 90/48 special, which means a 50, no VRO, good compression. The guy took off the lower unit. Look how the guy took off the lower unit. This is funny, you'll get a kick out of this. The guy took off the lower unit and left the shift. I don't even know how he got it off. He left the shift rod connected to it. This is just crazy, you know? And shit you find, man. So, yeah. Nobody didn't know what to do with this. Got a new lower for it. well, new to me. Seems to be in good shape. I haven't pressure tested it yet. It's a 1971, I think, 25 horse, or maybe a 30. This is a 90-30, and it needs tiller handle work. It's got good compression. Okay, write that down on there. Let's see what it's got here. Yeah, 125, 126. That's decent. It's a 30 horse. And then I got 1941 Elgin. This thing is a classic by all means. Bump seats, crap everywhere. Yeah, the 115 is still sitting there. Got a new starter for it. It's got a timing belt needs to be put on it, and that needs a little work, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Some guy said he'd trade me for another Evinrude because I'm more of a OMC guy, but I don't really like those Mercuries too much. Tower of Power, huh? Yeah, the big V6 over there, you can see the bonnet behind the drywall that I need to put up over there because I had new electrical ran in the ground, which that cost $5 grand. Everything seems to cost $5 grand. You notice that? Go to do anything, it's $5 grand. But they ran it from the pole over there. To get off subject, over to here. So I got 200 amps in the house. Then I got 200 amps in my shed over there, which I might start working on bikes. Put me a little lift in. Got a bar over there, so kind of hang out and drink there in the winter, so people can smoke and don't have to smoke in the house. Gave up smoking. It's bad for you. Yeah. Springtime, man. Gotta love it. Fish are biting, and of course I'm working on my boat. Need to get out. That's the old furniture over there. Man, look at that shit. I know it was yummy. Look at this thing sitting over there. Probably $30 in gas in there. Cooler, leftover beer. Gotta get some vegetables in. A little chicken coop. Where we put everything to grow, smoke. Yeah, this is it, man. Like out in the middle of nowhere, middle of nowhere, Missouri. Just the way we like it. Well, that was the pontoon boat. It's coming along good. Grumman 20-footer, 23-inch logs under it, tunes, whatever you want to call them. And the mower I need to break out. But, well, talk to you YouTubers later. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the comment section if anybody decides to leave a comment. Most of the time nobody leaves a comment. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Am I a hoarder? Am I a pack rat? Should I unload some of this shit? Does anybody need any parts? I got a little. Well, I got some stuff behind the shed too, so I will walk over there. Big old tractor and shit back there. Adios. Remember, subscribe, like, comment. Hopefully everybody's having a good weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye.